Elisa Parabicho Naval, our dedicated lay middle administrators, the Parents Association representatives, our devoted teachers, under the guidance of our academic coordinator, Mrs. Tigaya E. Bangkoro, the hardworking staff of CSA Binyan, our ever-supportive parents, well-wishers, and my fellow completers. I greet you all with warmth and enthusiasm. A wonderful morning to all. I'm sure everyone in this ceremony can feel the heartfelt and joyous feeling that is twinkling in the air, as this moment is indeed a memorable milestone for all of us. It's truly a tremendous honor to be standing before this incredible and talented crowd, delivering the speech I long dreamt of. Ever since CSA became my beloved school, I have always longed and dreamt for this exact moment. Even dating back to when I was younger, not yet studying in CSA, I would remember my late grandfather always pointing to the school, saying, "Diyan mag-aaral ang ako." Now that I'm here, even having accomplished this great feat, I hope that he is proud of me up there as much as I aspire him to be. Undoubtedly, this wouldn't have all been possible without the role of so many remarkable people. To our beloved teachers, from grade 7 until grade 10, I am beyond grateful for all the learnings and values you have all engraved in our hearts. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for being our pillars in guiding us toward the way of life. I'm always so blessed and privileged to have been a student of these wonderful instructors, especially knowing the time and effort they have given to their students. Thank you very much, our teachers. May I request you all, our beloved teachers, to kindly stand up to be acknowledged. Thank you, our beloved teachers. To my ever-dedicated and diligent AYC officers, thank you for your hard-earned service. This past year with you all is all kept in a special chamber in my heart. These people, including our wonderful AYC advisor, will always and forever be incomparable. All your efforts and acknowledgments in this department will forevermore be remembered through the smiles and memories you have all left. Thank you very much. May I request you, our AYC advisors and AYC officers, to also stand up. Thank you, my dear AYC officers. Now, to my ever-supportive family and friends, especially Mommy for her relentless sacrifices and hard work, and to my tatay, who may not be here right now as he is an OFW, sacrificing his time just for me and my brother's wonderful future. No words can ever describe my profound appreciation for all of you. You are the ones who rooted and believed in me, even when I doubted myself. Thanks to your love and hard work, you molded who I am today and brought out my brightest and most beautiful smiles. I will never, ever trade you all for the world and even for the universe. Thank you very much, and I love you all. parents who are present here today. Without your guidance and support, we wouldn't be here in this momentous occasion. Thanks to you, even as we approach both the happiest and most difficult seasons of our lives ahead, we may be able to face them with bravery, bringing with us the life lessons you have all imparted forever. Thank you very much to our families, parents, guardians, and to those who serve as one. We love you all very much. And of course, thanks to the Almighty. Without His grace, every moment of this day and even this year wouldn't have even been possible. Thank you, God, for everything. Now, alam kong hindi naging madali ang taon na ito para sa ating lahat. We were still in the process of recovery from the pandemic to change the course of many different aspects of our lives. As a transitional batch, it was expected that this year would indeed be a challenging one for us. Our dreams and foresight to what our future holds continue to flicker before our eyes. There were nights we cried. There were days we wanted to give it up. And yet, we kept going with that one same dream in our hearts. We transformed that expectation into but a mere paradox, emerging triumphantly out of the raging sea, and finally completing this journey. And just as how that resilience drove us from what seemed like a limitless well, may we all never lose the flaming heart within us all. This conclusion signifies a new beginning. Simula pa lamang to ng laban. And I have no doubt that each one of us will go on to achieve even greater things. I can envision future doctors, athletes, artists, engineers, leaders, and even more among us all. I also know that many of us will embark on different paths in various schools. And although it's sad to part ways, I know that this is not the end. As we all carry on with this journey, I hope that we may still carry the red and gold seal within. From the Augustinian values to the indelible Augustinian vow, to the principles we live by. And of course, we can also bring with us all the cherished and treasured memories we have made from these 4 years of our junior high school lives, especially highlighting this week. I can still remember all the dreaded on-site exams na sa tuwing malapit na sa kapalang tayo mag-aaral. And of course, afterwards, we would stroll to the mall or eat at McDonald's with our friends. And syempre, nandito na rin yung class celebrations natin sa tuwing Teachers Week, Christmas party, and our latest at the farewell party. Let's not also forget Islam and Kinahinga, which both are surely memorable for most of us. At hindi natin makakalimutan yung MOTG, Alam Kulay, TLE Bazaar, and the A Boys and A Snaps during the Foundation Week. And finally, the research defense we all nervously waited for. Can you already believe that we got through all of that already? I know that most of these were tiring, but through them, we were able to prove that we can all be amazing in our own various ways. Isn't it all nostalgic? Aside from that, with my other role as the AYC president, I must say that this journey wasn't quite easy for me either. It was really a struggle, balancing all the responsibilities on my back alongside my academics and personal life. This year was truly demanding and stressful. It felt as if every part of me was put to the test. all, I'm glad that I still went on with strength to witness all that we have accomplished so far. I was able to see how much of an impact we have all made. Thus, the feeling I feel will forever be boundless, making this experience one that I will never regret. And I know that each one of us can also make that impact in our own ways if we only unveil what we have within. To my dear batch beacons, continue to chase for that dream you hold dear. Alam nyo, alam kong kayang-kaya natin ito basta't hahaluan natin ng tiyaga, dedikasyon, at ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang tiwala sa sarili. So far, I'm already incredibly proud of us all. I have seen all the efforts, sacrifice, and dedication we have all poured into our endeavors. And of course, as we live in a fast-paced world, I hope that we also don't forget to take breaks and to prioritize ourselves. If you ask me what the best advice I could give from this year, I would never stop advocating for our mental health. We've already gone through it all, and we all deserve a pat in the back. So congratulations. And of course, let's never forget the people who stood by our sides. They truly are gems in the rough beyond anything we could ever hope to find. As we bid farewell to this 4-year ride with you all, I hope we all remember the quote I have shared earlier on, encouraging us to hold on to our dreams and to always believe. Life truly is an unbridled ocean, full of both storms and wonderful sunsets. Regardless of what the flow of life may be, may we embrace the power we have within and become the captains of our own fate. We can be our own trailblazers, sparking that good change wherever we go. And to the future, we will soon create for ourselves and to those around us. May our good-hearted visions and passion be the center of it all. May we be the hope that our families, communities, and our country needs. Batch Beacons, long live the 10 months we have spent together. I will never, ever forget you all. Once again, I am Zari Amber Cunyada, your first honors, greeting you all with warm congratulations. March ahead, Augustinians. The future is ours to conquer. To God be all the glory.
Your words have truly touched our hearts.